since it's past 12 a.m. in the morning. Funny enough, people be wondering why I'm making this video now. Should I even ask myself that question? See, you can see how full this morning is. See. Guys, this is the first time I'm trying this hairstyle and my first experience is being I love my hairstyle so much. My hairstylist does it better. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. So I just woke up this morning. In fact, I don't know what's going on, but I don't know how I'm feeling this morning, but I'm good. So this morning, today I will be going out for kitchen utensils. Okay, I'm going out to get some kitchen utensils today, so I want you guys to come with me. Okay, let's go together. Why I'm making the video here is due to the fact that there's a noise at the background, so I don't want it to sound in my video here. So I'll be going to the market today to get some kitchen utensils and the cost of it. Okay, so I'll be carrying you guys along as time goes on. Guys, I just saw this money in my pocket. See, you can see how full this money is. See, and the last time I wore this jacket was last year when I was pregnant with my baby. Since then, I'm not putting on this jacket because of how cold the weather is now. And I saw this money in my pocket. It's so straight, so strong. I see this jacket, know that I need money. I really need money. Like, I need money now. I really do. This guy has really keep this shoe safe, eh? Ah, good. So when I come, I'll show you guys what I got from the market. I'll be showing you guys, okay, and the cost of it, and so you guys should stay tuned. Just looking at this place, not here. Let me comb your hair. You're already running late, yeah? Hey, see my baby. Yeah. We have shoes. I don't like applying makeup powder on my face because I use face cream, so guys, we are leaving right now. Let's hit the road. How much this one?
This one's around.
Eh?
This 14,000.
Let me see that other one. No snap, daddy. For those in 12. Again, guys, let me shock you all. This is 12:17. This is past 12 a.m. in the morning. Funny enough, people be wondering why I'm making this video now. Should I even ask myself that question? So yes, guys, why I'm making this video late in the night is due to my baby. I post this whole video. I don't think I'll have that time to video if I'm not videoing it now, okay? So that's why I'm making this video at this hour. This is past 12 a.m. in the morning, okay? So you can see that I'm looking all dressed up. Content creating is not for the weak. So let's dive in, guys. This is a unboxing video, unboxing my kitchen utensils. These are the items I got from the market. Okay, this is plate stand. Yeah, this is a plate plastic stand. A plate set. This is 3-in-1 plate set. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. Three-in-one sets. This is what it's looking like. These are the covers. And the price of this, I got this for 8,000 naira for this 3-in-1. Not expensive, right? Then this plate, this is what is running on board now. So I decided to get this because I'm on budget. So I got this for 15,000 naira, not cost. What do you call it? Cutlery board. I got this cutlery board for 3,500. Yes, I got this for 3,500. I also got this spoon for 3,000 naira. It has this spoon set, but I couldn't get the set, so I needed just one because I'm working on budget. So I got this. And these are plates, breakable plates. I like call it breakable plates. Not breakable though, but plastic, but not that plastic kind of dough. This is what it's looking like. So what I did, I bought it in dozen. So the dozen was sold for me for 13,000 naira. So it has different types, different texture, different quality. So this is the fact I'm working on budget, so I got this for now. This is like 12 dozen. So I got this for 13,000 naira for 12 dozen. So they just gave me different color, different texture, different type, but it was sold in the same price. So this is like a dozen of it. I bought this for 500 naira. Now I bought more cup. Some call it breakable cup, some call it tea cup. Let me show you guys what it's looking like inside. See? I got it in two different types. This is the second one.
me see this. So this is a bit different from the other ones. So I bought 2 different types. Can you see, guys? I love the color of this glass cup, so beautiful. I love the coffee browns, doing this coffee tea kind of. I love it a lot, so I chose this.
I love this one too. There are different types of this I saw there, but and also in different colors too. But I just love the way this color is. It's just giving so matured. It's not loud. It's just there. I love it so much. Not even cost safe. It's affordable. Alright guys, if you watch up to now, thank you so much and God bless you all. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and to my return subscribers, thank you for coming through. Thank you for pulling up. I'm really grateful. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming in as well. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like and share, and I'll see you all in my next vlog. Bye.